nail polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Look back and shawty don't look down.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amaris. If you're returning, I love you. Today I have a hair tutorial and the hair is from Wiggins Hair. As you can see, it's giving scalp. It looks so good. The lace melts perfectly. The curls are so nice. I'm so happy with this hair. I'm going to let you guys know everything you need to know in the description below. Also, stay tuned to watch the video and see how this wig was installed and how I got these amazing curls by using some products. The hair is already amazing, but I used a few products to enhance the curls. So this hair is from Wiggins Hair. It's 24 inches. It's deep wave, HD lace, 13×6. It's a loose curl as well. I love this so much. This hair looks so good. I think it's giving vacation. It's giving summer. You can wear this all year round, to be honest, but this is what it's giving me. I just love the curl pattern and how it looks. I'm so happy with this hair, guys. So make sure you check the description below for any coupon codes to get your money off.
Is it bad I want more? Is it too late for us? We both scared of love. Moving so close, we come us. Is it bad I want more? Pressure, I won't learn. I want you to stretch it. Damn it, won't you test it? I know I was born to roll. I ain't got no. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We're both dangerous. Moving so close, we combine. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We're both scared of love. Moving so close, we come.
Guys, the hair is just already feeling myself. Guys, my sisters are trying to fight me for this wig. Trying to tussle.
It's literally hot lace.
For the weed, though. Try to make my own, though. Calling for Maria. Lost without Maria. By diving in Marina. So trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me.
So guys, we're going for a no edge look. She needs to put lacing on the hair and then also do little head at the side, maybe. I'm not sure if I want that. Oh, yeah, no. I shouldn't.
Trust me, baby, trust me. I don't mind. Trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. I don't mind. Calling for Maria, lost without Maria, by diving in Marina. So trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. I don't mind. Trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. I don't mind.
This is it, the install done. So I now need to diffuse the hair, put water in it, and curl activator. It's already really curly, but I just want to define the parts that she's brushed out. Add some like volume to the hair a little bit with my diffuser, but it looks so good. I love the way that she's done the front of the hair. Looks so natural. This is like my favorite install. This hair is too good as well. I can't wait to just put my makeup on and see how it looks when everything is all together. I'm so happy with this hair from Wiggins Hair. Like, no one can tell me nothing. guys, you see the lace? This eats bad. I love it so much. And now I'm going to just brush out the curls first before I add any product to it, because I want to give that true curls, dimension and volume. So I'm going to comb it all out and then use all my other products to get the curls back and actually like enhance it. Okay, so this is the hair all brushed out. I'm now going to use water to bring back the curls and also my Got To Be spray products. I've got this, which I've used before, which is the Twisted Curl Mousse. I love this product. I also got this new thing called Get Gloss. So I'm going to use these two, and then also my John Frieda products as well, which is the Curls Dream Defining Mousse. This one. And then also the Daily Styling Spray from the same collection. These are really good as well. I love using this on curly hair. It just works really well. So now I'm going to put a little bit of this inside it, because I don't want to add too much, because it's quite like a heavy product. It's nice, but I'm going out tomorrow, so I just want to put a little bit so I can put more in tomorrow rather than putting a lot. Then it's too clammy, but it definitely does work. I just like to dilute it a bit. So just take like this amount. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both scared of love, moving so close we converse. Is it bad that I want more? See, bustin' like a toolie in your waistband, bustin' like that booty too big and you need to. It also adds a nice shine to it. Bustin' like you catching the body and you in these things. I can't wait to diffuse this. It's gonna look too good. The curls are just so nice. It's giving body, it's giving wave. It's gorgeous. Okay, now I'm going to add the mousse. And yeah. I know can't get enough. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both dangerous, moving so close. So this is the first time I'm using this product. I'm not sure how to use it. It says spray evenly distanced from 30 centimeters onto dry hair. So I've already straightened my hair, but I like the shine that it's going to give me, so I'm just going to put a little bit. I can already see like the difference already. It's just, I think this is going to be a game changer for my hair routines. Okay, this is it wet with the product in it, so I can leave it like this. I'm gonna just dry it a little bit, just to give it some volume, but it looks so nice wet. It looks too good. It actually looks like my natural hair is growing from my scalp. I just love it. Now I'm going to use my diffuser to add some volume. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both scared of love, moving so close we converse. Is it bad that I want more? Pressure, I won't learn lesson. I want you to stretch it. Damn it, won't you test it? I know I was born to roll. I ain't got no. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. I love you guys. Bye.